Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. China brought us his Street Glide in for an NVS Audio Stage 3 high power upgrade. So China came in, he had a tour pack on the bike that had just been painted. Then he wanted to do woofers in the bags. I convinced him to change the bags because the 13 and down bags rattle a lot. The 14 up bags are a lot better. Since he was gonna get the bags painted anyway, I convinced him to go with the 14 up stretch bags. And then we ended up painting half the bike. So Alberto at High Tech Collision did a great job. So we literally painted the bike to match the tour pack because he was doing the aftermarket doubled in Metra fairing. So the fairing had to be painted anyway. Saddlebags and lids had to be painted anyway. Tour pack had just been painted. So we went ahead and just painted the rest of the bike to match. Bike's phenomenal. So now the paint job has 0 miles on it. It looks beautiful. The bike's a really beautiful blue color too. So then we did a stage 3 high power after everything was put back together. Bike sounds phenomenal, looks phenomenal. Check out this build. I want to love you, be my pretty young thing. You're some
type of girl Sheila really is. Sheila is the type of girl that just don't take home to mama.
My man F left a tech and a 9 at my crib. Turned himself in, he had to do a bid. I won a 3, he be home in the 93. I'm ready to get this paper, G. You with me? Motherfucking rap. My pockets looking kind
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We just finished China's Street Glide. Are you completely happy the way it sounds?
100 plus.
So, finally got the bike together. Brand new paint job on her. She's looking beautiful.
I should have came a long time ago.